It's Tupper Lake Day. See, there's one at Tupper Lake. Patty has mass at 4. Patty a l'église à 4 heures. But I go to Champlain Church, so I run errands and hang out. Moi, je vais à messe à Champlain, so quand Patty a été à Tupper Lake, moi, je fais des commissions, puis je joue. This is one of my favorite places outside of Tupper Lake on Route 30. It's Bog River. C'est la rivière Bog River, c'est la route 30. Quand tu sors de Tupper Lake, I still don't. I believe this was Tupper Lake. Je pense que c'est Tupper Lake. Oh, les chutes. Bog River Falls. The level of difficulty to get down there is very great, and I don't have the best shoes. I've done it there before to go fishing, but I'm not going to fish here today. We just had horrible thunderstorms, so the river's really gone. On a eu des orages terribles, et à cette heure, l'eau vient. So, it's just beautiful. C'est magnifique. So, I write from Bog River Falls. City to Bog River Falls.